Hi guys, this is Beam 440. Let's see what's inside the box. We have the projector. Then we have a power cable, a remote, a user manual, and a warranty card. Now let's understand the projector in a more deeper sense. First of all, this projector is 180-degree rotatable. You can rotate it to any which angle you like. Then at the back side of the projector, we have a few ports. The first one is an HDMI port. The second one is an audio port wherein you can attach your headphones and speakers. The third one is a USB port wherein you can attach your pen drives. And this is a power socket wherein you'll attach this power cable to switch the projector on. We have connected the power cable. Now in order to switch the projector on, there are two ways. Either you can press this button or you can use the remote and press this button present at the top of it. We'll go with the first one. We'll just press this button. Also, if you're using the remote, keep in mind that the remote is pointed towards the projector and not the screen. The projector is on. Now the screen may seem a bit blurry to you. So what we'll do is we'll adjust the focus manually. For that, there is a wheel present at the top of the projector. We need to rotate this in order to adjust the focus manually. So let's see. I guess this is perfect for me now.